Good morning, everyone. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 26th of February. In the UK, pressure is rising for May. Media suggested that Labour Party's leader, Corbyn, will clarify the party's position regarding Brexit. The Labour Party is expected to have a positive stance towards a customs union with the EU, in contrast to Theresa May. It could be the case that Labour Party's positioning regarding the customs union issue will deepen the gap in the already divided Conservative Party. In the inner political stage, May will introduce a legislation that caps energy prices until 2020. The news could support the pound in the next couple of days as the positive sentiment could continue despite the pressure. Cable traded in a sideways manner on Friday, well between the resistance level of 1.4040 and the 1.3850 support level. We see the case for the pair to trade in a slightly bullish market for the next couple of days. The case is supported by the fact that the pair has traded above the upward trend line incepted since the 13th of January. On the fundamental side, Bank of England's Ramsden Saturday's comments about sooner than expected rate hikes may have generated a positive sentiment for the pound, also strengthening the argument for its support. However, the US financial news, which are to be released today, may support the US dollar somewhat. Should the pair enter a bull market, we could see it breaking the 1.4040 resistance level and aim for the 1.4168 resistance hurdle. Should the bears take the driver's seat, we could see the pair breaking the 1.3850 support level. During the past week, there were some mixed messages for cryptocurrencies. Headlines last week suggested that Japan's cryptocurrency industry is preparing a self-regulatory body. In the European stage, the British lawmakers launched inquiry into cryptocurrencies. While in the US Congress set sights for federal cryptocurrency rules, and founder of BitFunder exchange was arrested following a lawsuit for fraudulent running an unregistered securities exchange. On other news, Venezuela launched a new cryptocurrency, the Petro, with its first sales to be offered in private. Bitcoin was dropping in the past few days, breaking the $10,000 psychological threshold, nearing the 8,650 support line. We see the case for the pair to continue in a slightly bearish market for the next few days. Should the cryptocurrency come under selling interest, it could break the 8,650 support line and aim for the 7,425 support level. Should it find buying orders along its path, it could aim for the 11,600 resistance level or even the 12,365 resistance hurdle. In today's other economic highlights, from the US, we get the new home sales for January. For speakers, FOMC member Bullard, ECB's President Draghi, and Bank of England's Cunliffe speak. As for the rest of the week, on Tuesday, Eurozone and US consumer confidence, as well as Germany's HICP, all for February, are due out. On Wednesdays, China's PMI, France's CPI, Germany's unemployment rate, and Eurozone's CPI are to be released. On Thursday, we get MFG's PMIs from France, Germany, Eurozone, UK, and US for February, as well as Eurozone's unemployment rate for January. And on Friday, Japan's unemployment rate for January and Canada's GDP for December are to be released. For more information, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.